How to clear cache on BeReal. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear the cache. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So these are the profile settings. Here on the right top, you'll be able to see settings. Simply tap on settings. So I'm in the settings interface. Here in the settings section, you'll be able to see others. Simply tap on others. Now on the top, you'll be able to see clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache. So make sure you want to clear it all. So as you can see, it has completely cleared the cache. So you can even do it going through your mobile settings and clearing the data and cache. But this app gives you in-game. So this app gives you in-app notification. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.